Good morning all. I am Gayathri, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to take about boiler feed water, that is boiler troubles. The water fed into the boiler for the production of steam is called as boiler feed water. The boiler feed water should be free from impurities like turbidity, oil, dissolved gases, alkali and hardness of causing agents. If hard water obtained from natural sources is fed directly into the boilers, the following troubles can be arise. There are 4 major troubles, that is scale and sludge formation, priming and foaming is also called as carryover, and caustic embrittlement and boiler corrosion. The scale and sludge formation in boilers is that when water is continuously converted into steam in the boilers, the concentration of dissolved salts in water increases progressively. When the concentration of the salt reaches their saturation point, they are thrown out into the form of precipitates on the inner walls of the boilers. The least soluble one get precipitated first. First we move on to the sludge. If the precipitate is loose and slimy, it is called as sludge. First we see sludge. If the precipitate is loose and slimy, it is called as sludge. The sludges are formed by substances like magnesium chloride, magnesium carbonate, magnesium sulfate and calcium chloride. These are the greatest solubilities in hard water than cold water. Scale. On the other hand, if the precipitate forms hard and adherent coating on the inner walls of the boiler is called as scale. The scales are formed by substances like calcium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate and magnesium hydroxide. The main difference of sludge and scale is the sludge formation can be prevented by softened water and also blow down operation, but the scale can be removed by external and internal treatment. Also, when using a dissolving through acids like HCl and sulfuric acid. Next we move on to the priming and foaming, are also called as carryover. During the production of steam in the boiler, due to the rapid boiling, a sudden boiling, some droplets of liquid are carried out along with steam. The steam containing droplets of liquid water is called as wet stream. These droplets of liquid water carry them with some dissolved salts and suspended impurities. This phenomena is called as carryover. It occurs due to the priming and foaming. Let me know what is priming and what is foaming. Priming is the process of production of wet steam that is caused by high steam velocity, very high water level in the boiler, sudden boiling of the water and very poor boiler design, which can be prevented by controlling the velocity of the steam and keeping the water level lower and good boiler design and also treated water using. Then foaming. The formation of stable bubbles above the surface of the water is called as foaming. These bubbles are carried over by steam, leading to excessive priming. The foaming is caused by presence of oil and grease in the water or the presence of finely divided particles. The foaming can be removed by or also prevented by adding some coagulants like sodium aluminate, aluminum hydroxide, and also by adding anti-foaming agents like synthetic and polyamides. Thank you.